Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on PS5. It's important to understand that Black Ops 2 is a PlayStation 3 title, and your PlayStation 5 console does not offer direct backward compatibility for those games. This means you cannot simply insert a PlayStation 3 disc or download a previously purchased digital version. The main way to experience this classic game on your PlayStation 5 is through a cloud streaming service. The most straightforward path to playing Black Ops 2 on your PlayStation 5 is through a PlayStation Plus premium subscription. This top-tier service includes a library of classic games, many from the PlayStation 3 era, available via cloud streaming. You can access and play these titles directly on your PlayStation 5, enjoying them without needing the original console. Remember, a robust and consistent internet connection is absolutely vital for a seamless streaming experience. It's crucial to reiterate that your PlayStation 5 cannot play PlayStation 3 game discs, nor can it natively run digital PlayStation 3 titles you might own. There is no direct backward compatibility for this generation. While streaming is the main solution, if you prefer a non-streaming experience, playing Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on its original PlayStation 3 console is always a viable alternative, offering the native gameplay experience. To ensure the best possible streaming experience when playing Black Ops 2, consider a few key optimizations. Firstly, always use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for maximum stability and speed. Secondly, minimize other internet usage on your network, close bandwidth-heavy applications, or pause downloads. Finally, aim for an internet download speed of at least 15 megabits per second to enjoy smooth, high-quality gameplay with minimal latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.